What is up, you guys? So I'm gonna be showing y'all some free codes, and yeah. So let's get into this. There's gonna be a lot of codes on the screen coming up, so y'all can pause the video wherever just to put the codes out. So let me just get to the codes. Okay, they're right here actually. Okay, so here's your code. Alright, these are all your codes. This is not a code. Do not type this. This is not a code. Okay, so it's bread, dynamo toast, legendary hat code. Y'all just do this, alright? This is every code in the game, I think. So y'all can pause the video and do that. So I'm gonna keep this up on the screen for a little bit, and then I'm gonna put it off the screen. And I did do these. I did do this one. Hang on, y'all. I didn't do that one yet. Alright, y'all see it was successful. See? Successful redeemed a rare hack. So these are all legit codes. These are not fake codes. All those codes on the screen. I don't know. A few of them didn't work for me actually. So heads up. One of them don't work, or a few of them don't work. So, but most of them work. Okay, put back up the codes. Alright, there's the codes. Sorry, I'm watching. Okay, these are all the codes. The codes that don't work, I don't know. I didn't think this one worked. This one didn't work. I don't know if I already got these, but these two right here don't work. This one and XP. So yeah. So guys, I'm gonna end the stream. Okay guys, peace out.